how to make money on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can make money on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to make money on Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and launch Cash App. One way that you can make money is by simply inviting friends. So if you invite friends to your Cash App account, you'll get a free $10 for every friend who signs up using your link. So you can tap on invite friends option, you can tap on continue, make sure to enter their phone number, email address, an invitation will be sent to them, and if they sign up using your link, you will get a free $10 added to your Cash App account. If you come to the home tab, you can also make money by investing in some Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, or you can also invest in stocks, and there are many of the investment available for as low as $1. So depending upon which stock you'd like to buy, you can tap on buy stocks, and then you should be able to invest and make money on Cash App. This way you can make money on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.